Jessie, kde si?
Tu som.
Kde je tvoj pohár?
Tuto.
Hm?
Á. Ďakujem. Dobre.
Čo je tam?
Tam je môj rusták.
A tamto?
Tamto sú moje golfové veci.
Aha.
No.
Kedy máš golf? Dnes?
Nie. Včera. Dnes mám crossfit training a potom relax.
A zajtra?
Zajtra futbol.
Wow.
No.
Aký je zajtra deň?
Zajtra je sobota a potom nedeľa.
Super. Takže víkend. Pekný víkend, Jessie.
Pekný víkend, Hanna.
In this video, we talked about place, miesto. The question where in Slovak, kde. KDE, but I say kde. That's how we pronounce it. Kde je pohár? Tuto. Right here. Tu. Here. Tam. There. Tamto. Over there. Then we also talked with Jessie about time, čas. We ask when, kedy. Kedy si doma? When are you at home? Dnes, today. Včera, yesterday. Zajtra, tomorrow. It's quite handy to know also the days of the week. Týždeň, week. Pondelok, Monday, útorok, Tuesday, streda, Wednesday, štvrtok, the most challenging one when it comes to pronunciation, Thursday, piatok, Friday, sobota, Saturday, nedeľa, Sunday. Sobota, nedeľa, together make weekend. This is how you write weekend in Slovak. And now let's answer the question kedy, when. Kedy si doma? V, preposition v, pondelok. V, útorok. V, stredu. Vo, because there are so many consonants together, we need to break it with one vowel at least. Vo štvrtok, v piatok, v sobotu, v nedeľu. This we also starting to mention a lot in our videos. Possessive pronouns when something belongs to me, mine. In Slovak, it's not that easy because you have to identify first the gender of the object or the person you want to be yours. And let's start with, for example, and I really need you to understand that even objects have grammatically have their genders in Slovak. Pohár, glass. Pohár is masculine. And if I want to say my glass, it's môj pohár. Your glass, tvoj pohár. Now let's talk about a book. Book in Slovak is feminine. Kniha. Kniha. My book, moja kniha. Your book, tvoja kniha. The endings mean that I am talking about something or somebody that has grammatically feminine gender in Slovak. And now the neutrum. Once we talked about pero, a pen, which is neutrum. Moje pero, my pen. Tvoje pero, your pen. Ending e. Don't be shocked if you hear also different endings to these possessive pronouns or even different endings to these nouns. It is like that. In Slovak we have something we call cases, and these cases change the endings of words, specifically nouns, pronouns, adjectives, numbers even. For now, I think this is enough. You can decipher the basic meaning when you hear something like môj, moja, moje, tvoj, tvoja, tvoje, what it is. And that's it.